Okay, go near the car and press. Okay, yes, press now. Okay, press back now. Press back now. Press back now. Press back more and more. Press back, yes. Okay, now you press go button. Go button. Okay. Now press the go button and back button.
No. This because it is right. No, no.
Battery is not low now. You don't press on the other button. You always press the go button and back button. Understand? If you press yes, if you press the other button, it can't run fast. You stand up and play. You always press on the go button and back button. Understand? Yes. Look, it is going fast. Oh, Papa, press. You run your car so fast. Run your car so fast. Show me how to run it so fast. Why are you holding on finish? Why? Why are you holding on finish? Give up. What is in there? Why are you finishing on the finish? Why? Give up. What's happened?